Hi all, welcome to this WordPress video. In it, what we're going to do is we're going to create menus on our WordPress site. Now, previous to this video, I went ahead and I created a couple pages. So I just have my example page, blog overview, about me, and then I have a couple posts that I just made as examples, blog post, example post, childhood. So I got some content that I want to put on my website in a logical manner using a menu. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to Appearance. I'm just hovering over it and I'm going to click Customize, but I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to click Open Link in New Tab. The reason I like to do that is I'll have this view up and then I'll have my Customize view up. And then as a third tab, I just have my regular WordPress site up. The reason I do this is I like to see what happens. I like to see where it's going. So then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm on my main dashboard in my Customize menu, is I'm going to go to Menu. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Create New Menu. Then I'm going to title it. So I'm going to call it Main Menu. And I'm going to click Primary Menu. And you can call your menu whatever name you'd like. And then I'm going to hit Next. Now what you're going to see is that it just updated. So before I hit that, I had some content right here. Now it's gone because I'm creating my own menu. We'll talk about how to create another menu in a second. So I have my main menu. Now I need to add some items. So I'm going to click Add Item, and now I can look at the different items that I can add. So first off, maybe I want an About Me. So I'm going to click it, and you'll see that it added itself right here. And maybe also I want to click Blog Overview. Now this is good. You'll notice that this content came from the Pages option. Now I want to add some of my posts to it. So then I'm just going to click Posts, and obviously if I have a blog overview, I'm probably going to want a post 1, blog post 1, so I click that. And then I also have this About Me section, right? So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click Childhood. Those were the ones that I made to go under it. Now at this point, what do I see? I see About Me, I see Blog Overview, I see Blog Post number 1, and I see Childhood. These are all part of my main menu, my primary menu that I just made. Now, that's great and well, but I don't want them. I want Blog Post to be under Blog Overview, and I want Childhood to be under About Me. So what I'm going to do to do that is I'm going to click the Reorder button over here. And now I have these nice little menus with these options to move it. So I like my About Me being right there, and I like my Blog Overview being there. Now I don't like my Childhood being there. So I'm just going to click that up caret. I'm going to click it again. So now my About Me is next to my Childhood, but I want it under. So I'm going to click it to the right, and that means it's going to put it under the About Me into a drop-down menu. I kind of think about this like an outline. And so when I go there, I see Childhood, and I'm good to go. Now the same thing with my blog post, I'm just going to simply click it to the right, and it's going to drop down here. So as I get more blog posts, maybe I want to go blog post 1, blog post 2, blog post 3. And there's other ways that you can organize the content on your website, but that's just the first one. Now, once you're done adding all your pages and posts to a menu, and you have that menu organized how you like, click Publish, and it'll go ahead and update it. So now when I go back to my regular website, so this is where we started, they were over there, but we changed it, and now if I refresh the screen, what you'll see is they're down here, About Me Childhood, About Me blog post or blog overview, and we can even click it and you can see my little fake text. All right, so that's just a way we can start to get going on this. And as we keep going, we will keep adding to it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. All right, have a great day.